rainbow trout fishing.
This dude.
All right.
This dude. Old Pinner's got it nailed down. Decent cup of coffee from McDonald's. Okay, fly fishing fans, we're going to do a rod build and then take it out to fish, hopefully catch some fish with it. So I started to space out the eyes and the guides. Everything looks good. This is a 13-foot 8-weight two-handed rod that I got from Mudhole. The trouble is the bore on both these cork grips are nowhere near big enough to install on the rod. So I did a little internet research. I need to buy a reaming kit, which will step-by-step make this hole bigger. So I'm ordered that. It's not in, so I'm going to, ordinarily I would start with the reel seat and the cork, but I'm gonna go with the guide wrapping of the top two pieces, the middle and the top. There's quite a few snakes that need to be wrapped and epoxied, so I've got plenty of time to get this done while I'm waiting for the ream kit to come in for this. So yeah, so everything's from Mudhole. They actually sent me some stickers, which are pretty cool. So built, not bought, and Mudhole. So thanks, Mudhole. I guess they know I love stickers. I was originally going to go with this green thread, which I thought looked really cool. But when I wrapped a little bit on the blank, the blank is a slate gray. This just pops out. It turns electric green and is way too gaudy. So I went with the much, much more tame. It's like a light blue and a darker blue with some gray in there. So it's really muted, which looks really, really nice. So we'll get to it and we'll see how it goes, guys. I'm starting to put the guides on, snake guides. You have to file these to make sure they are very like thin at the base. Otherwise, it'll cause a big bump when you're wrapping your rod. So if you look, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it's got a little shine to it, and that's from removing the paint, but it also flattens it out, so it'll be a smooth wrap on all of these guides. Wraps on wraps on wraps. And the epoxy is mixed and ready to apply. This is the first time applying epoxy. I've always built on bamboo blanks, so I just popped it on the drying setting on the wrapper and went as slowly and as gracefully as I could. The reaming process was a real pain in the butt, but I got it done, so it's ready to go. Using some masking tape to build up this portion of the blank where the reel seat will be and the cork will fit. It's got to be really snug, but also enough to get some epoxy in there. So it's kind of a fine art. Got your JB weld, mix it up nice and thoroughly so it's completely mixed, and then apply it to whatever you need to fix or build. Okay, ladies and germs, it's done. 3-piece, 13-foot, 8-weight rod, two-hander, obviously. This is the first time I've ever built on a graphite blank. I've always built on bamboo blanks, and I was actually surprised at how difficult the epoxy was, even with the power wrapper and the dry setting. It's just it's a lot different than using varnish or whatever on wood. So, but it's good. I'm happy the way it turned out. It's very sturdy. As soon as we get some open water, we're gonna take it out for a fish. So here we go. Okay, fly fishing fans, here we go. Finally getting to fish the rod that I built. It's been some time. So headed out, gonna meet my buddy Paul, maybe Andrew from Steelhead Addiction, and we'll see how it goes. Reports are it's rather slow, the water's still cold, but it's warming up. It's bright and sunny, so we'll see how it goes. Everybody loves the drive-through. Let's not get out of our car or anything. That would be crazy talk.
Well, to be honest, I wish them well. I hope they do.
Okay, fly fishing fans, it's about 10:15. The brand new rod is rigged. I'm ready to make the first cast. Paul and Andrew are upstream working on some casting techniques, so let's see how it goes. The water looks really good. It's cold, but see what we get into. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Little baby one. Rainbow trout fishing. Hey. All right. The skunk is gone. A little. Yeah, looks good. Got him? Yeah. Wrapped up. Yeah. Oh, are you still wrapped up? No. Okay, folks, we're headed to a different spot. After Paul got that one, nothing more. We really didn't even see any activity. So, headed down the road. We're gonna drive around and look for some new water. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, last sip, and then we're gonna roll. Maybe 2 sips, it's still kind of hot. Okay, roll up the rim to win. Oh, I suck at this game. Almost as bad as fishing today. Please play again. Wah-wah. Okay, fly fishing fans, we are headed out. It's been a day. Beautiful conditions, no fish. I like the way the rod is casting. I need to futz around with the line combination. I'm not 100% sold on it. It's a little soft, but I'm gonna talk to Adam Slavinsky over at the Orvis Buffalo Shop. He's like the pro on the Spey line. So talk to him about that, what he thinks is good. Yeah, you know, I talked to probably 24 people today. The only person I know that caught a fish was Paul, as you saw, and I've covered a lot of water, so I'm going to check into the hotel, and then high point, I am going to get dinner from Hardee's. And if you didn't live in the South or spend a lot of time in the South, you probably don't give a shit, but you know, when I lived in North Carolina for 15 years, and when I moved back home, I kind of have this reverse homesickness, because you know, my formative years were spent in North Carolina, so I miss Hardee's, I miss Bojangles, and all my friends. So, but Hardee's tonight for dinner. Okay, fly fishing fans, Jesus, we're inside. Stopped at Hardee's. I got a Superstar, which is a double cheeseburger kind of thing, and fries. But the highlight is, which I did not know this, check this out, Duke's mayonnaise, North Carolina special, in the little pouches. I wish I would have known that. I would have asked for double extra. So fries are good, burger's gonna be good, and I got a Diet Dr. Pepper, but I'll probably be drinking this, so. Okay, I've changed up my routine by request. Apparently I'm taking coffee and food review requests. So put them in the comments if you want to see me review something. This is McCafe, the dark roast blend. Old Pinner asked me to do this, and it's good. I've had a couple sips. It's super freaking hot, so it's hard to, you know, really taste it all that. But it's good. Solid cup of coffee from McDonald's. Just as good, if not better, in some ways as Tim Hortons. The only problem is there's no roll up the rim here, so I can't win a free one. But Old Pinner's got it nailed down. Decent cup of coffee from McDonald's. 8 out of 10. Poop, poop, poop. First fish on the new rod. Oh, okay, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. The first hookup on the new rod. Let's see what that rod looks like. Pretty good. Oh, nice fish. Oh, he's banged up a little bit. He's been in here a while. This fish has been inside this stream for some time. Good bend in that rod. Butt seems pretty good. Stiff. Flexy tip. I honestly don't think he knew he was hooked for a little while. He wasn't fighting very hard, but now he's fighting. Let's see, let's see. Hang on there. Ooh, okay. Okay, interesting. This rod acts much differently than my Redington Spey. That bend is really nice to protect the tippet and everything, but boy, it's tough to control this fish. Oh boy. Okay. Don't really want to get that up in that tip-top guide, but maybe. I might need to. Boy, look how banged up he is. Oh. Jesus. This is a clusterfuck. Holy moly. Good Lord. He's a big one. This dude. Whew. He's off like a monkey from a box. Okay, fly fishing fans, that's the day. It was a lot of fun. Yesterday was slow, but still a nice time out on the water with friends. So, but I'm glad I did get that fish today to give the rod a real workover. That was a big fish. Rod handled him pretty well. It bent over quite a bit and made it difficult to get that net under the fish. So we'll see. But I got to catch a few more fish to make a real determination. So watch for more videos. Thanks for following. Thanks for liking. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care, everybody.